Hi my friends, welcome back, welcome to Living on the Edge. Today we're back on Allure of the Seas by Royal Caribbean. I've showed you this ship several times before, but this time I'm staying in a category which is first time for me on Allure of the Seas. We are exploring this time the Junior Suite and everything it has to offer, which I'm actually a little bit surprised about. So stay tuned, of course, grab something nice to drink, something nice to snack on, and let's begin. Ready? Let's begin, as always, with the entrance. I will show you the plan where we are located. So this suite is located on deck number 12. Again, please ignore this. I'm not sure why they put their deck 5, but this is stateroom 12632, and it's located right here where the red dot is. And it's relatively very close to the back stack of the elevator, so the centrum of the ship. This is where we are. So it's very central located, one before the top deck, so that's very nice, and hopefully you can't hear any noise from the deck above you. Let me turn you around. And this is the Junior Suite. Let me show you around so you can see everything. And then, of course, we'll talk about everything there is to see in this room in details. I hope you guys can see it in the video. It's actually very spacious, even though it's just an entryway of the suite. So let's start with the entrance. So I showed you that before, but now we can explore it a little bit more. In your entrance corridor, we have two doors. One right here would be your storage for your clothes. I'll show you that in a second. The other door right there is your bathroom. We'll of course explore that. Right here we have our full-length mirror, ceiling to floor, very nice, plenty of space to get ready. Hi friends. And then of course you can find your bed right here, and this bed, as you can see, is set for the Royal King. And of course, if you don't want to share those, you can ask your room attendant. They will split those beds apart, and they will put the nightstands, of course, in the middle. But even with that, I would say there's enough room really to fill this space. Very spacious. You have two nightstands right there. There's no drawers, just those shelves. Very nice. Some reading light. Of course, you have your phone right here. Another nightstand. I do not see, unfortunately, any charges or any outlets to charge your personal devices next to the bed. Yes, the ship is a little bit older, so as of this moment I don't see any charging options next to your bed. Just keep in mind for that. Right here we have some curtain to divide the space. Let me show you. So basically you close it like that. Ta-da! I'll not do it all the way, but let me go back so you can see it. But once you close it, you basically separate your bedroom area and your living room area. So if you're sharing the space with several people, that's very nice for some extra privacy. Let's put it back so it will be pretty and cute. Okay, so behind this curtain we can find a sofa, and this is a sleeper sofa in most rooms. Now I'm not sure if this particular room can actually accommodate more than 3. But it is a sleeper sofa, so that's very nice. It's a little bit on a firmer side, but it's still very nice. You have your wall art right there. There's a coffee table here, and across from that there's an armchair with another mirror. It's more of an accent mirror, but still nice to have it here. Hello again. I do like that they added this time flowers, even though they're not real, but still nice touch, some decor. Yeah, that's very cute. It's not something I actually used to from Junior Suites and Royal Caribbean, so that's very nice. If we turn around, we can find this whole space, and this where you can find your TV. The TV, I would say it's probably about 43 inch or so. You have a lot of storage there. You probably want to investigate the storage, right? So let's take a look. So first of all, this large door right here, we'll open it. It's all shelves, again, ceiling to floor, plenty of storage. And then of course here you will find your safe. It's a little bit on the smaller side. I don't think you can fit any laptop in that, but for personal items that's sufficient enough. We have the countertop here, very long. I would say I do enjoy that there is no drawer right here. So if you would like to work on the space or something, it's very nice and easier to get ready. That's very cute. You have a lot of drawers. There's one more shallow. You can find your hair dryer right there. And there's two more much deeper in size right here. So there's one, there's another one here, and there's another set and another set. So plenty of storage. Now on this side, we will find our mini fridge. Yep, that's your mini fridge. Again, it's big enough for your maybe bottle of water, maybe bottle of wine you would like to chill. Nothing more than that really. And of course, we have our mirrors right there. Hi again, lots of mirrors. And behind those mirrors, there's additional storage. So there's some more shelving right here. Identical would be on the other side. And now my friends, ta-da! My favorite. I'm just kidding, but you all know how much I like my espresso in the morning. So the Junior Suites comes with the Lavazza espresso maker, and of course you can enjoy your coffee in your room. They do provide you with a decaf option and the regular coffee. And if you don't like to drink coffee, they of course always provide you the tea option as well, so that's very nice. Yeah, so that's very, very spacious. It's actually feels more than I expected it to be, so that's very nice. Now let me show you, of course, the place where you're about to put your clothes. See this door? That's where we're going. This is your closet, or a walk-in closet. So yes, there's plenty of storage here. There's shelving all the way here. There's a lot of hanging space as well, so all this length is actually a hanging space. They give you 2 bathrobes. This is part of the amenities in the Junior Suites. Of course, some hangers there. There's additional shelf on top. One thing you're definitely not going to miss is storage space in this suite. You have, of course, this bar here. If it wasn't enough on the top for the hanging space, you have some more there. And of course, you have a hook there. This storage is enormous. Now, let me show you the bathroom. So because it's a Junior Suite, again, the bathroom is slightly bigger than the one you would find in a regular balcony rooms. And this is your bathroom. Now, with the Junior Suites, you get a bathtub. So you have, of course, your handheld shower right there. You have your tub right here. That's very nice. It's actually pretty deep. There's a shelf here, another shelf here, and the amenities you get in this room would be the Royal Caribbean ones. There's those, but it's not all in one. It's actually separated for shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Now across from that, it's where we'll find the vanity. Hi again. And unlike the regular rooms, this is actually stone countertop, so that's very nice. You have hand lotion, again a little bit upgraded from the regular rooms, bars of soap, some shelving here on the side. There's this tiny drawer that I actually really like. Ta-da! It's very cute. And underneath there's 2 more doors with some additional storage and shelves as well. So again, this room is all about storage, storage, storage. That's very, very nice. Now, as you see, this room has a little bit wider windows, so you would have this wider section, which normally the size that you would have in a regular balcony, but it has also additional sort of a window, which you see right here next to your sofa. That portion cannot be opened, but it just gives a little bit more light and brightness to the room, so that's very nice. Now let me show you, of course, the balcony. And on the balcony we can find 2 recliner chairs with some ottoman for your feet, legs, but you also can find a small dining table here for 2. So if you would like to have breakfast, you definitely have this option. And that's the view right now from the Miami cruise port. So this is the junior suite on board the Allure of the Seas. It's very surprising, seriously, because I stayed on this ship probably 3-4 times before this. I never got to experience the junior suites, and I was never really, to be honest, excited about it, because for me, normal junior suite is just a little bit bigger than, you know, balcony. But I have to say that I was wrong, and this feels very, very spacious. When I entered the room, it was very clean. Everything was, you know, perfectly done. Yes, the rooms are a little bit on the older end, because again, the ship is a little bit older, but I have no complaints, nothing really. Everything seems to be in a working condition and seems to be very, very nice. One thing I will say, and I probably mentioned this before, there is no much outlets in this room, unfortunately. So there's literally just the two by the mirror. So for that reason, it's 2024 and we have a lot of things to charge. Phones, you know, my vlogging equipment to make my videos for you guys, computers if we want to do something on board. So I would appreciate a little bit more, you know, options to charge your devices. But, you know, as long as you prepare for that, you can always bring your, how you call it, the extra battery or something, and just to help yourself, you know, to extend those. But yeah, other than that, it seems like a very, very nice room. As far as benefit goes, don't forget that every junior suite comes with dinner in the coastal kitchen upon availability. So this is something that's actually come with it. There's some extras with like the espresso maker, so I'm very excited about having my coffee here in the room before I leave it in the morning. So that's very nice. And yeah, of course you have some extra space, which is very, very nice. And you know, space is kind of like rare commodity on a cruise ships. So yes, of course, as always, if you have any questions or something you would like to share on your own, please don't forget to comment below so I can read everything. I'm very, very excited to do that. I always asking you guys to subscribe so I can keep doing what I like to do most. But until next time, thank you very much for watching. I'm your Hedge.